Hello out there, and welcome to Intellectuals Online Home Lessons. I'm Jane, and today we'll be looking at nouns. A noun is a word that helps to identify with a person, with a place, with a thing, an animal, or an idea. Simply put, a noun is the name of a person, an animal, a thing, or a place. Now, as we can see here on the board, we have the types of nouns written out on the board. So we're going to look at the explanations. Let's start from our concrete noun. Concrete nouns are things that we can see, things that we can touch, things that we can feel, and we all have them around our environment, okay? For example, we have a marker. Even this board, yes, it's hard. I can feel it and I can touch it. So this is an example of a concrete noun. We also have your chairs, your tables, your plates, your cups, your spoons, your televisions, and the list can go on and on. Now let's take a look at the abstract noun. The abstract noun, in opposed to the concrete noun, are things that we cannot see. They're things that we cannot touch and we cannot feel. Examples are love, joy, peace, happiness, sadness. These are examples of abstract noun. Can you touch joy? Can you touch love? Can you touch peace? No, we can't touch them, but we just know that these are nouns, okay? And they're actually in existence. Okay, so let's move to our common nouns. Common nouns are nouns that are used to refer to general things. For example, we have man, woman, country, date, month. Now, let's take an example. If I say this is a man, it means that I can be referring to any man, but I'm not referring to a specific noun. And that's what proper noun does. Proper nouns are specific common nouns. Common nouns are for general things, while proper nouns are for specifics. So let's see an example. This is common, proper. So let's take an example of common noun to be man. Let's also take woman, and let's take country. Now, man, this is a man. That's a common noun. We don't know the man I'm talking about. What if I say this is Dave? Now, when I say this is Dave, I am referring to a specific man whose name is Dave. When I say that I went to the grocery store with Sarah, it means that I'm referring to a specific woman called Sarah. When I say I traveled out to Nigeria last week, I'm referring to a particular country. So now we can see the difference between common noun and proper nouns. Okay, so let's move to collective nouns. Collective nouns are nouns that are used to refer to a group of things. For example, a group of soldiers is called an army, a group of students is called a class, a group of bees is referred to as a swarm, a group of wolves is referred to as a pack, a group of keys or bananas is referred to as a bunch. So collective nouns are nouns that are used to refer to a group of things. Now we have countable nouns, just like the name implies. These are nouns that we can count. These are things that we can count. We can count houses, we can count cars, we can count plates, cups, spoons, we can count books, pencils, crayons, and the list can go on and on and on. Just add your own examples, okay? Then we have uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, just like the name implies also, there are nouns that we cannot count. We can't count them. We have example, the air that you breathe in and out. Can you count air? No, we can't count air. Do you know something else that we can't count? Yes, let's look at them together. We have water, we have salt, we have sugar, we have your flour for baking, we have rice, we have your tea, your coffee, your yogurt, and you can continue from there. So I hope you've learned something today. Get in touch with us by clicking on the link attached to this video, or you could call on our number +234 9059661909. I'll see you in the next class.